Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Fandango gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Fandango website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account icon or the sign in/join button at the top right corner. From there you will be taken into the login portal where you can simply enter your credentials to log in to your account. After you are logged into your account, simply click on the gift card option at the top left corner. From here you will be able to activate your gift card after you have entered the gift card details. Simply click on the redeem button and from there you can proceed with entering your gift card details, and after you do so you will find the activate button which you can click on to activate your gift card with Fandango. Once your gift card has been activated, you can check your balance by clicking on the check balance button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your Fandango gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.